The Gold Coast is gearing up to co-host the 2032 Olympics, with thousands of local businesses playing their part in bringing the Games to life.
Co-hosting the Olympic Games will put the world's eyes on the Gold Coast, but behind the sporting glory are the local businesses carrying the load.
As a Gold Coast business, you know, Brisbane 32, you think it's Brisbane, it's up the road, but we're actually a part of it.
Today, bidding opened for major tenders and no business is too small.
Whether it's a temporary toilet, whether it's temporary fencing, whether it's whistles for officials, whether it's sheets, pillows, beds, everything.
Scott Whimpey, the Director of First Aid, Accident and Emergency, knows the impact a small business can have, providing defibrillators and life-saving training to volunteers.
We train roughly about 30,000 people a year through our small family-owned business.
His work close to home for our city's mayor.
And 3 months after I trained him, his wife Ruth had a sudden cardiac arrest in front of him in Changi Airport in Singapore. And he worked on her for 24 minutes and resuscitated her based on the training that he'd had prior.
The Commonwealth Games proved to be a good dress rehearsal as the clock counts down to 2032.
We've got to make sure that people are preparing now. That's 6 years and 4 months. That will just absolutely evaporate before you know it.
The 2032 Games will take a village to pull off, and local businesses will be the ones to do it. With $2.5 billion in contracts on the table, thousands are already putting up their hand.
Our aim is to make sure that 80% of those services go towards small and medium-sized local businesses.
Giselle Manning, 9 Gold Coast News.